I'm John Faulkner, Water Engineering Manager for the Water Division, and I'm here to talk to you today about the North Taft Avenue waterline project. So this phase of the project will take it from Connecticut Avenue clear through 29th Street. The waterline now is an existing 12-inch cast iron pipe that is deteriorating, and we have numerous leaks. We're upsizing the pipe from 12-inch cast iron to a 16-inch PVC pipe. This provides us additional capacity, redundancy in the water system as a whole, a lot less disruptions and waterline leaks on Taft Avenue.
We do get a number of complaints every time a storm occurs that causes flooding. And when we get these types of calls, we compile them every year and we create a list and we try to prioritize that list, and over the years we knock them out one at a time. We're really excited about this project because there's a couple stormwater aspects that have been a problem for the city for many years on North Taft, specifically at the intersections of 18th and 22nd Street. In North Taft, we're working along the corridor from 18th all the way to 29th Street. At 18th Street and 22nd Street, there have historically been a lot of flooding problems. When we're done, you'll see a lot less flooding along the Taft corridor between 18th and 29th Street. We also want to treat the water quality. Water quality devices eliminate a lot of the dirt and debris and trash that come down, and they filter that out and remove it before it enters in downstream waters. During construction, there will be a full closure on Taft, and it's going to occur from 18th Street to 29th Street, starting December till early summer.
Traffic will not be through flow. We will have local and business access only. There will be plenty of signage indicating to people that detours are required. Residents and customers of City of Loveland can also go on Let's Talk Loveland, which is a website that will continually be updated throughout the process.